we're gonna dive into veggies, and it's gonna give you a whole new meaning from farm to table with this veggie garden snack. First things first, we're gonna make soil. Yes, you heard me correctly, we're making soil. Now I've got pumpernickel bread here, which is really the same color as soil. I'm gonna put a coffee filter right in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start scooping it in. Regular orange carrots. Now they're obviously all clean and washed and ready to go. Cooking with kids is something that teaches them so many life lessons, gives them a lot of confidence, and it empowers them to eat healthier too, which I know is something we're all looking to do with our kids. Now this is the ultimate veggie garden snack that anyone will want to dip into. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yes, very